All right, y'all, we've got a new 1000 cc, this 80 something horsepower side by side, adjustable shocks, trailer hitch, power dump bed. This thing is a monstrosity. Lifted, it's got your step rails on it. The whole thing is metal, so everything on this is metal. Very simple design. It's got your blinkers, your headlights, horn, so it is set up to be street legal if your state or country allows it. This thing is, I called a bunch of people before taking this, and a lot of these are going up north. They're putting snow plows on these things and working the crap out of them. So nothing but good things about them. This is our first one. 80 something horsepower. Check that out. Come get it. 623 North Main. We got 0 for 60 months if you want it.